name is Chris, I'm a CAD designer, and I've been working for LDV for 12 years. LDV has challenged me to think outside the box. Our designs are always different because we have different customer needs and wants, and trying to figure out how to fit all that into what the customer needs really does stretch your mind on what you can do. There is variety in exactly what kind of designs there. It's not a same thing day to day. Sometimes we have fire and police, sometimes we have medical and bookmobile. The team atmosphere is great. Everyone is friendly, kind, and willing to be very helpful. My favorite is bookmobiles. Definitely the customers really fun, have different ideas for the different communities that they go to. I'm absolutely proud to work on these vehicles, knowing that a lot of these vehicles are going out to our communities everywhere for police and fire, H&T, SWAT, and then knowing that we have medical vehicles out there helping out and outreaching to our communities. I would tell someone who is applying for LDV that it is a fun atmosphere. It is very different. There's a lot of different variety, so your day is never really boring. You're always learning something new every single day.